Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2009 Chevy Avalanche. The Chevy Avalanche can transform from an SUV into a full-size pickup truck, all in less than a minute. This makes the Avalanche one of the most flexible vehicles out there. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, tow hitch, heated mirrors, four-wheel disc brakes, privacy glass, air suspension, rain sensing wipers, front performance tires, rear performance tires, 6-speed automatic transmission. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.